This morning, there's more good news to pass along. If you perhaps maybe you're shopping for a mortgage or looking to refinance, those rates are falling. In fact, right now, they're the lowest they've been in a year, with 30-year fixed average rates just over 6%. And here with more on what it means for your money, NBC's senior business correspondent, Christine Romans. Christine, always good to see you when you have good news, especially.
Yeah.
So who's going to benefit most from this?
Really, the folks who bought a house in the last couple of years and got mortgage rates at 7% or high 7%, that's the person who's going to benefit the most from here. When you're talking about the lowest mortgage rates in a year, they're near the lowest rates in 3 years. And we did some math. If you bought a house, a typical $400,000 house at, say, 8%, you're paying every month $2,300, right? At 6%, where we're now, that's only $1,900. This is real savings when you talk about a mortgage rate that has fallen like this. And they could continue to drift lower. The Fed is going to meet next week, the Federal Reserve. Expectation is it will cut interest rates again. We tend to see rates slide a little bit before the Fed meeting, and sometimes they go up.
I mean, that's the question. It's like whether to refinance and when, and whether you should wait, because what if they go down even further? Right.
And,
it's
you
tricky.
know, the refinancing part of it, look, if you have a mortgage at the high sevens, I think you should be talking to somebody right now about refinancing, because that's a really significant savings. The rule of thumb is if it's 1 percentage point difference, it makes sense. But if you've recently bought a mortgage or you have a big mortgage, a 0.5 percentage point move can really make a big difference here. And also, if you're looking to buy a house, look, there's a lot of other things that go into this equation, like you want to be in the school district, you need to buy a house, you're moving for a job.
Closing costs.
Closing costs are also a big thing there, too. So a lot to consider. But at least mortgage rates have been drifting down, and you can have this conversation finally.
Meanwhile, before we let you get out of here, more good news. Gas prices also coming down.
I've been watching gas prices go down, and that's been pretty great. In some parts of the country, they're below $3 a gallon. The average right now, $3.07 from AAA. We saw those new sanctions, though, on the two big Russian energy producers. So I'll be watching to see if maybe that affects gas prices and maybe stops the slide a little bit.
Okay. Thank you, Christine.
See you guys.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC, or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.